this side Sonia here from Growing Craft. What is gold gliding technique? So basically जब भी हमें अपने किसी project पे gold color चाहिए होता है, we use our chalk paints, metallic paints and whatnot. So gold gliding is a technique where you actually stick the gold sheets on your project. So this is not real gold for sure, but yes, this is the gold falling technique. So इसके लिए you need to use your gold gliding adhesive. I will put all the supplies link in the video description box. You guys can check that. Now adhesive लगाने के लिए either you can use your paint brushes or your sponge dauber. यहाँ पे मैं stencil use कर रही हूँ. You can do it without your stencils also. So for this technique, you need this special adhesive. Once you are done with your adhesive work, you need to use your sheets then. Now the sheets comes in two form, that is like actual sheet form, and the other option is to have these kind of flakes. I absolutely love having both of them because both of them has their own like way of look and feel. So इनको लगाने के लिए you need to use your paint brush, and please do make sure that you clean up your brushes really well after that. So this is one of the techniques of adding gold to your project. Now you will be asking, why not metallic paints or your acrylic colors? Iska look and feel is completely different, friends, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. So yes, like I said, gold foiling is one of the fun techniques, and it really adds a lot of drama to your project. Now once you're done with your foiling work, you have to make sure that you seal it up with the massive varnish. Like I said, जो भी supplies हैं उनके links मैंने video description box में दे दी हैं. Now with the gold foiling work, can we do any other work? Yes, you can. You can blend your colors, you can do your stamping work. Like in this project, what I did was my massive stamping. And trust me, this project looks absolutely gorgeous. This is one of the best plays what I have done in the decoupage art. So you can use your gold foiling work for your mixed media art, your decoupage art, for your card making and whatnot. So yeah, this was a quick introduction to gold gliding, and I really hope you guys like this video. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Do check out our website at growingcraft.com, and thank you and take care and bye bye.